So here we are with part 2 of the G major scale. In part 1 we learned all the notes, and now we're going to do some finger exercises to help cement those notes in your fingers and in your head. So let's start down here, 3rd fret, 6th string, that's the root G. We're going to play up the scale 4 notes at a time. So that's playing 4 notes, starting on the G, then the open A, the B, the C, finishing on the open G. Let's do the same thing, but this time starting an octave higher from that open G, the 3rd string. And now we're going to do the same thing but coming down backwards, starting from the top G, that's the 3rd fret, 1st string, coming down 4 notes, the next 4, and now starting from the open G, coming down 4. So if you mix those up, instead of starting at the bottom and going up, you could start 4 notes above and come down. So instead of starting on G, you could start on the 4th, which is a C, and come down. Now those are sets of 4, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Change it over to do sets of 3, it would be like this. And you could come down. Now right at the end there we added an extra note that I haven't shown you yet, which is this one here, an F sharp. Remember, if you think of the notes in numbers, where G, the root, is 1, so F sharp is 7. So it's 1 fret below the G. And in fact, if you go one further, the open E, which is the 6th note. So now you can play all the way down to the open string. Go up, and there's one more note I think you should know, and that's this one here. Whoops, there we go, when I play it correctly. That's an A, that's the 2nd note of the scale, up here on the 5th fret of the 1st string. So when you're playing up like this, there's different fingerings you can use if you're coming up here using the open position. You can either just slide up with a 3rd. You could do that way. It's whatever's most comfortable for you and kind of how fast you're playing. There's lots of different reasons for using different fingerings. That's something you can work out yourself. Now next time in part 3 I'm going to show you how you can use the G major scale to play over the chords of G, C and D. See you then.